And this is
Haley DeWitt.
all right. And where do we find you, Haley DeWitt?
Perennials.
Yay! So that's what we're talking about today, actually. So Haley is out here all the time. And what in the world do I have here? What flowering extravaganza? Tell me about some of these. These are some of our hot picks, right? That people are coming in. Yeah. What do you got?
Our hot pink bee balm.
Favorites.
Has a lot of color. Got some agastache. Give you that height. Kind of put in the back. Got some galarnia.
This one?
Yep, that one.
What's this one? You told me about this one.
Butterfly weed.
But it's a weed. Why would I want a weed?
It attracts butterflies.
And it's not really a weed. We don't know what
Yeah.
to call it. It's a very sad misnomer. We hate it. So what else have we got here that's just amazing?
Some Veronica.
Mm-hmm.
Purple.
Heart Veronica. What's that over there? I like that over there. What are they?
Echinacea.
Isn't there another one over there?
Flower.
I like the name of that one.
Mm-hmm.
It's Playful Meadow Mama. Because,
That's
you know, it's fun. And I have sedums and phloxes. And this is another agastache, so a friend of this one. So these are just a few of the things that if you come, take a peek, look for Haley. Sharon's out here. I'm out here. They're new, they're wonderful, they're blooming in the summer. They attract what?
Butterflies, pollinators, bees,
Score.
good stuff.
You need it. We'll see you soon.